Located within one of Southeast Michigan's most prestigious neighborhood, with over $300,000 in enhancements put into the property by the current owner, this palatial estate is the definition of refinement. Whether you're inside the home or out, you're surrounded by furnishings and luxury materials that take your living experience to the next level. With nearly 7,000 square feet of carefully crafted living space, this residence is the perfect blend of comfort and sophistication, and today we're going to be showing you this home in detail. Starting with the exterior of this home. Guys, take a look at the attention to detail that was placed in the exterior of this home. You have the gorgeous landscape. You have brick and vinyl that wrap the entire house, a massive driveway with stone and concrete, and not to mention this LED lit symmetrical walkway that leads right up to your grand entrance. And as you make your way to the front door, you have a black painted porch with seating on both sides. Now let's go take a look at the inside of the home. Welcome to the interior of the home. When you come into this two-story foyer, the first thing that catches your eye is this wood-featured wall. This adds so much character to the entry of the home. Above you, you have a candle-style chandelier, and below you, you have wide-paneled wood floors all throughout the house. First thing we're gonna cover is the family room here to my left. This is your family room. Great for hosting guests that come in. The tones here are very welcoming. The furniture is very nicely done as well. You have two tones on the wall, a chandelier up above that adds a very modern feel as well. And you have these large windows on the front of the house, again, bringing in a ton of natural light over here. A beautiful family room, very nicely done. Now we're gonna go across the hall and take a look at the dining room. This one is a little bit of a warmer space, which I really love. You can tell it's curated for a very warm feel. You have a wood pattern on this entire wall with a mirror in the center, two beautiful chandeliers right above the dining table. And as you exit the dining room, to my right, you have the staircase which leads upstairs, which we're gonna cover in a little bit. But take a look at your great room. This is your living room, or a great room as some people like to call it. Whatever you call it, it's absolutely beautiful. The way it's curated is perfect to host family parties and gatherings here. You have a marble fireplace to cozy up the space with stone that leads all the way up to the top. You have a huge TV and a built-in shelf. The wood floors continue here as well, and on the ceiling, you have a beamed ceiling. In between all that, you have this gorgeous modern fan to cool off the space. The thing I love about this living room, it has a very open feel to it. You can see the foyer, you can see the kitchen. You also have these huge 4 windows on the sides to bring in more natural light. You have built-in speakers as well in the wall. Now let's go check out the office. Right next to the office, you have another half bathroom right over here and a coat closet as well. And then you have your office. This is a really cool space to be able to take your work calls and do work meetings here on Zoom. It's just such a perfect blend of modern and cozy. You have this built-in bookshelf here with plenty of shelf space and cabinet space below. You have windows facing the back of the house where you can see the patio and the lower level fire pit, which we're gonna cover in a second. And then you have more space here over to my left, but what they've done is you put a TV here so you can watch sports while you work. And that covers your office. Now we're gonna go across the hall and look at the kitchen. This is your kitchen. To my right, you have an informal dining area. To my left, you have your own coffee bar. Look at how beautiful they've made this. You have quartz countertops here with black cabinetry and gold stainless steel finishes. And on the backsplash, you have gold as well. Really nice. And then you have your kitchen. Again, the first thing you notice, which is obvious, is this huge, massive island. You have waterfall edges on both sides, and this is a quartz countertop. You have bar seating here as well, and 3 very modern chandeliers right up above. This is a very unique thing about the home. Take a look at this. So you have black cabinetry on this side with those same gold finishes, but On the outskirts of the kitchen, you have white cabinetry with black finishes. I love how that can go so well together. You have stainless steel appliances all throughout this kitchen, a really nice backsplash that completes the look, and quartz countertops here as well. And right next to that, you have your own sunroom. Let's go check it out. So imagine after a long day of work, you come here into your sunroom, the sun is shining in, you have amazing furniture that you can sit on, read a nice book, and just enjoy some peace and quiet. And then to my left, you also have, again, you can see into the kitchen, you have the quartz countertops here with more seating as well. This home also comes with a 3-car garage. Let's go take a look. And as you're coming to your 3-car garage, on my left, you have your mudroom. I love the two-tone with the black and brown. You have shelving space here and at the bottom as well. And across from that, you have your pantry. Look at how organized they have this pantry. And quartz countertops in your pantry, in your walk-in pantry. Now let's go take a look at the garage. This is your 3-car garage. Plenty of space in this 3-car garage. You can park 2 cars here comfortably. You also have storage space on both sides as well, and you can park another car there. Let's hop back inside the house and go check out the upstairs. Before we go upstairs, I want to cover the specs of this home. This home has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 7,000 square feet. It's built in 2015 and it's currently listed on the market for $1.35 million. I also want to thank Matthew Talbot from the Talbot team for letting us tour this listing. And that being said, now let's go check out the 2nd floor. As you come up the stairs, you have this gorgeous hallway, and you can see on both sides. On my left, you have the living room that you can see down below. And on the right, you have your 2-story foyer, and you can see that candle-style chandelier. And then when you make your way down this way, there's 2 bedrooms on this side of the house, and in the center, you have your full bathroom. To the right of that, you have your 1st bedroom. This bedroom comes with its own walk-in closet. You have this huge window facing the front of the house. And I mean, you can tell, again, if I put my arms out, like this is huge. You have a lot of room on both sides, both ways, and high ceilings in this room as well. Going across the hall is another bedroom. This is your 2nd bedroom of the home. This also comes with its own walk-in closet, and you have the windows that face the back of the house. You can see the volleyball court and the clubhouse from back here, which is really cool. We're gonna cover that later in the tour, but that is your 2nd bedroom. Now let's go across the hall and cover bedroom number 3 and the primary bedroom. This is bedroom number 3. This you can also treat as like a guest suite. You can tell they have a huge bed here, still plenty of room to walk on both sides, large windows here with really nice curtains and a really nice accent wall. And then you have your own full bathroom as well. You have granite countertops here and tile down below. It matches the room really well, very nicely done. As you exit this bedroom, you have a laundry room. You have the 2-tone walls that complement each other really well, and you can tell the washer dryer are huge, so there's plenty of space in this laundry room. And now the primary bedroom. Let's go check it out. Guys, this is your primary bedroom. Before I go into the details of this primary bedroom and show you around, there are 3 walk-in closets in your primary bedroom. And you have your own seating area over here as well. You have your own primary bedroom lounge. You have a built-in bookshelf here. You can put a TV here. You have windows on this side of the house. Gorgeous furniture, a chandelier up above in your primary bedroom. And the primary bedroom also has the raised ceilings with this really modern bed frame right in the center. Again, windows all around, illuminating the space really well. Now let's go check out those closets in the primary bathroom. As you make your way down here, you have a vanity to the left with a large mirror. You got this gray and blue artistic wallpaper. You have closet number 1, and then you have closet number 2, and of course, closet number 3. And then you have your primary bathroom. Guys, where do we begin in this primary bathroom? First of all, you have cathedral ceilings in your primary bathroom. You have this gorgeous tub right in the center with the window view. You also have a private toilet on this side here, dual vanities on each side with cabinetry and of course large mirrors and light fixtures above each of the vanities. And then of course, I have to do this. I do it in all the $1 million homes. You have your stand-in shower with your glass doors, but plenty of space in here. And this is a his and her shower. You have shower heads on each side in tiles as well. And then you have stone down below. Really nicely done. Love it. And that covers your upstairs. Now let's go take a look at the finished basement. As you come down to the basement, the first thing you have on your right side is a full bathroom with sliding glass doors. Right next to that, you have a kid's room. Your kids have their own room to play down here with toys and whatnot in the basement. And right next to that, you have this pool table where you can host parties and place some bets and take your friends' money. You have seating area here to the right side. You have wood floors here as well in the basement. And take a look at this bar. This bar is actually pretty massive. You have a lot of counter space here on the granite countertops. You have more space here and cabinetry as well, shelves with a stone wall. I love that detail. So as you can see on this side, plenty of cabinetry space with the stainless steel finishes. And of course, you also have a built-in fridge. And speaking of bar, of course, you have your bar seating on this side here and stone pillars. This type of stone is really, really gorgeous, especially in this property, adds a really nice character. And then you also have an additional space here in the basement that you can use as a living room, a game room, a movie theater room, or watch some Monday Night Football. And that covers the basement. Now let's go outdoors and take a look at the pavilion and the fire pit. Now, on a hot summer day, imagine coming out here and enjoying your privacy in this pavilion. This to me sells the place by itself. This is so cool. You can tell by the materials that this was built with perfection. There's so much detail in the stone, a gorgeous modern fan right up above to cool off the space. You have a TV here. You can watch movies, your favorite show, relax, have a nice beer after work. Stunning. And then as you take these steps down, you have a lower level fire pit right in your backyard. So you have your pavilion, of course, when it's a hot summer day and the fan to cool off. But in the nighttime, if it gets a little bit too cold, you have your own fire pit here where you can host parties and enjoy some quality time with your friends. You can come here, sit down and enjoy some nice s'mores and enjoy this nice view of the pool. And the other thing that's really cool about this is there's actually lights all around the pavilion, in the front steps, in the back, lights everywhere to illuminate the space at night. So you can see the house right behind me, but right in your backyard, you have a volleyball court to my right, and you have two pools in the clubhouse right in your backyard. And the clubhouse is absolutely stunning as well. You can see those pictures right online.